Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with students in the edition of the popular interactive program Pariksha Pe Charcha in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to embark on a landmark diplomatic tour to France and the US this afternoon, aimed at bolstering strategic, economic and technological partnerships with both nations. India clocked 1 lakh crore rupees in export of iPhone for the first time this financial year. A joint military exercise Cyclone 2025 between India and Egypt will begin at the Mahajan Field firing range in Rajasthan from today. IIAS DARPG India Conference 2025 will begin at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh will inaugurate the conference, which will be held till 14th of this month.